my big sister and I'm little. You want to know my name? It's Angel. I do remember. She forgets her name sometimes. Well, we have a very special event this time because it is our big brother's birthday this month. So we want to wish you a happy birthday, Ty. And now we're going to sing a happy birthday song. Sit next to me, Angel, so we can sing. Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Ty Ty. Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday, Ty, and happy New Year's to all of you. Sometimes I forget his name. All right, bye. Bye.